Let's get in the holiday spirit with this delicious cranberry margarita cocktail. This festive twist on a classic is perfect for any holiday gathering. Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. It's time for a cocktail, and today we're making a cranberry margarita holiday edition. Now, this recipe was inspired by Taste of Home magazine. It's been coming up on my Facebook feed for weeks, and I just had to try it and play with it and share it with you. So what makes this a holiday edition instead of a classic? Well, normally, margaritas, you rim the glass with salt, and then you get that little salty tangy. We're doing a little differently this time, so let's get started. The first thing we want to do is get ready to prepare the glass to be rimmed. I have a shallow dish here. We're going to start with turbinado sugar. Here's mine. Now, what is turbinado sugar? Often it's called raw sugar. It's been processed less than white sugar, so it still has some of the molasses, and it gives it that golden color. This is 2 ounces, 56 grams. Next up is cinnamon. Just a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon is all you need. Nutmeg is next. Same amount, a 1/4 teaspoon. Now this is pre-ground nutmeg. You could use the fresh like I normally do, but in this case, the pre-ground is fine. All right, we're gonna mix this well with a fork to get all those flavors combined. Now the glass. I have a nice rocks glass here and a wedge of lime. We just want to get this wet with lime juice. Now, right in the sugar mixture. All the way around. Just like that. Some of it looks like icicles dripping down the side of the glass. So let's build our cocktail. We're going to start with cranberry juice. Now, I prefer to use 100% cranberry juice. It's going to make it less sweet and a little more cranberry forward, but you could use the cranberry cocktail if you prefer. We just need 3 ounces or 90 mils. Right in the glass. Next is Tequila Reposado. Now, what is that? Here's mine. Now, Reposado is a type of tequila that's been aged in barrels for at least 2 months and up to a year. The word Reposado means rested, and that gives this tequila a much rounder, deeper flavor. We're just going to need 2 ounces or 60 mils. Fresh lime juice is next, and I can't stress enough how important it is to use fresh lime juice. We just need 1 ounce or 30 mils. Finally, we're going to add some orange liqueur. I like to use Cointreau. I find it has a deeper orange flavor, but you could use a really good triple sec as well. We just need a 1/2 ounce or 15 mils. All right, you know what's next. It's time for the shaky shaky. Here we go. All right. Now let's go back to our glass. We need some ice, some fresh ice. And we're just going to strain this in. Look how pretty that is. Wow. Now we want to garnish it. You could do cranberries, you could do lime, you could do orange. I was feeling a little fancy today, so I did that. Just like that. How beautiful. Now let's give a little taste. Wow. It's tart from the cranberry and the lime, but there's a little sweetness in there from that orange liqueur, and this flavors on the rim, the cinnamon, the sugar. Wonderful. This is holiday in a glass. If you like this episode, sign up for our newsletter and get the recipes in your inbox. Then help us grow the channel by hitting the subscribe button, smashing that like button, and hitting the notification bell so you'll never miss an episode. All right, I'm going to go watch some holiday specials on TV and put my feet up and enjoy my cocktail. While I do that, I want you to hang out and watch some of these episodes over here. So until next time, cheers.